नहीं नहीं नहीं, कुछ नहीं आएगा, कुछ नहीं आएगा, वहां पे प्लेन रहेगा।
Hello. Hello.
Hey, hi, good evening. Give me a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, couple of more people would join. So let us wait till then, and then we should be good to start with. Hi, thanks for waiting. So we were still waiting for others to join. Hopefully they'll join. If not, we are good to start. So having said that, right, so what our motto is to know about the services that we would be using in Google Cloud. So before we enter into the learning path or track of Google Cloud, few things we have to understand. That is nothing to do with your course or that the Google associated course, but that is a general awareness which you have to know as a cloud engineer or architect. So few things which we have to understand is, like, when you are a cloud consultant or engineer, we should know the costing, we should know the sizing, we should know how to optimize the cloud environment, GCP environment, right? How do we optimize it, right? We also have to know about the management, the cost management, right? We should know about the capacity management, we should know about the region, we should know about the best practices, we have to know about the compliances, which are the industry compliance supported by Google Cloud. Now, what is the GDPR policy with respect to Google Cloud? Right? Where are the data kept? Suppose if you are deploying for Indian customer, so as per the Indian government policy, the data of Indian citizens cannot be kept outside India. Similar way in Europe also they have GDPR policy, European Union. US also has its own very restrict data regulation policy. So every country, most or more or less, has a very restrict, very strict restriction on where the data has to be stored from there for their nationals. So when we consider these things, and this has to be thought in forehand before you start deploying the Google service or when you start moving to the Google Cloud. So this comes into the consulting phase when you as a senior engineer or consultant, when you are supporting a infrastructure, right, and you want to take care of end to end, then that is when the compliances, the costing, right, these things need to be considered in general. Now what we would do also, first thing first, right, we would be creating the account. So we'll be talking about this thing in later on. So meanwhile, if you guys have created the account, well and good. If not, any one of you become a what I mean, share your desktop and be the host and create the account. I'll guide you how to create the account. So account being the most important thing. Without the Google Cloud account, we would not be able to do lab. So we would be creating our own account, which will be free trial for 3 months. 90 days, we'll get a trial option, where in 90 days we can use maximum, or we have certain quota, but we that is enough for us learning purpose. Right? We are able to manage our entire learning from that free trial, which is worth, they give you $300 worth 21,000 depending on the dollar value. Okay, 21,000 some change. Now, and this will be valid for 90 days. Only thing is that you cannot withdraw the money because it's a virtual credit, but we can use that 21,000 to deploy network, VM, right, storage, backup, all these services that Google has to offer. Right? So when we deploy those services from that 21,000, the virtual credit which they have given us forehand, from that it will keep on detecting. Now, that's in order to do that, what I would suggest any one of you, please be a volunteer and share your desktop in case if you have not created the account. Even if you have created the account, then please someone share who does not have the Google Cloud account so that I can show you how to create it. So once we have the account, then we should be good, because from my next class, every class, today only I'll be talking, but from next class, we need to have the account ready, because 90% of the things which we would do here is lab. So of course, it does not mean that I'll skip theory, but more goal or the mission for here is lab or hands-on. Because more you do lab, more you make your hands dirty, more you learn. For theory thing, you have a lot of channels, right? You have Udemy, you have lynda.com, you have Pluralsight, you have CVT, you have YouTube, you have so many things. But so I'm not telling that I'll skip, but my focus will be more on the lab, the hands-on, right? So to do more, 90% time we'll be working or playing around lab. In order to do lab, we need to have the account. That's the requirement. So let us first go and create a Google account. So to create a Google account, share your screen and in browser, go to google.com and type Google Cloud Console. So do I have any volunteer? So anyone, please share your screen and go to google.com and type Google Cloud Console. Anyone? Am I audible? So do you all have the cloud account? Then we'll skip. In case if you don't have, okay, so okay, like Purnima has. So what about Sujit and Sumon? Okay. Sorry if I pronounce. I hope I pronounced your name. If not, just let me know
Yeah,
your name.
Sanjeev, actually, I have a call in 2 minutes, so I will be listening. So otherwise, I can happy to create the account.
Sure, no worries. So
If others can create, then it will be good.
yeah, so Sumain, can you do you have the account? If not, if you have, then we can skip. Right? We can go to the
Yeah, give me 2 minutes. I'm on phone. I'm connecting via desktop.
sure, please.
Am I audible?
You are.
Okay.
Share your screen.
Okay. Yes.
Now go to in Google, select Google Cloud Console. In the search window, Google Cloud Console. Hit enter.
Oh, Google Cloud Console. Okay.
Yeah. Now here you have to register your account. So because you might have logged in with Gmail, it will pick automatically. But
It's already been. I mean, I have one account, I guess, in the
so
cloud.
so go and check the how much money do you have. So go to the billing, the three bar.
Billing. Yeah, it's zero, I guess. INR 0.00.
No, no.
Oh, sorry.
Click on the 3-bar left corner.
Your voice is breaking. I can't hear you properly.
Okay, so click on the 3-bar left corner.
Okay.
Right. So here in 3-bar, now go to the billing. So here pricing. Just a second, I'll tell you where to click on that. So
Hello.
hello.
Hello. Yeah. Can I ask one question?
Sure.
Yeah. It is the introduction section or which one?
So it's a beginning, but I prefer to have the account created because this will be needing future, right? So that's the reason I'm making you to create the account first.
Okay.
Right? Then we'll talk about the introduction and other things.
Okay, I'm into pricing.
So go to the bill. So click on the here. Click on the reports, cost table or breakdown. How much?
Reports.
Or click on overview. Overview. So when did you activate this account?
I think this is. I think more than 1 year it happened, I guess.
Then this is not miss from here, right? You'll not be able to create anything. Miss, you can create, but you'll be charged. So
Okay.
motto is to save money, not get charged. So what I would suggest to create a new account with your so anyone whose account is more than 3 months. See, if you have too much money, you can give Google, but believe me, Google they are rich. You don't have to pay them. So
Okay.
what do I suggest? Sign out from here.
I'll use my alternate email ID to.
But first you have to sign out from that account.
Okay, sign out.
Then use
We can sign in to any Gmail account, right?
yes, any Gmail account. So if your account is more than 3 months old, then the whatever $300 they have given you, that is expired already. And if you create a component, your card will be charged. So my motto is to save the money. So we'll create a new account. We'll get again $300.
You're talking about Gmail account, right?
Yeah, Gmail account.
So it should be a new one.
No, it can be anyone. Just don't use the previous one, which is associated with your previous account. Don't use that one. So
Okay.
last time when you created a Google Cloud account, you use some Gmail, right? Don't use that one. Use any other.
Sorry.
I didn't create any Google Cloud account, so I can use my Gmail account, which I'm
Yes.
normally using, right?
Yes.
Oh my God! 1 second. Then I have to. I'll do one thing. I'll just create one more email ID and then present it.
So meanwhile, Purnima, can you share your desktop? Anyway, you are creating a new one, right? So share your desktop. So what I was trying to tell, if you have old account, so while creating the old account, you might have used some Gmail. Don't use that Gmail because people will know that you have already used it. Hence, we would be creating a new or we will be using an alternate Gmail account because everybody has 2, 3 Gmail accounts, right? Just don't use
So
the
I
old
have
one.
to use my old existing Gmail account, or I have to create the new Gmail account.
So have you ever created a Google Cloud account?
No, not yet.
Then you can use the old one.
Okay. So can I do now?
Yes. Share your screen.
Just hold on. Actually, I have opened Zoom in my mobile. So I have to start in my laptop.
Or I'll just show you that in that case, that I'll just show you guys watch. But again, I have a lot of accounts.
No, wait. I'll start the meeting from my laptop.
Sure, please. Now here you'll go to the go to google.com, type Google, or open a new tab, type Google Cloud Console browser. Just type directly Google Cloud, Google space Cloud space Console. Hit enter. The first one. No, sorry, the second one. That is the advertisement.
Google sign up for free. Okay.
Yes, below one. So wait for a second. Now click on try for free.
Cloud.
So you have to agree.
Google Cloud
Console.
platform.
So here click on try it for free. So now here you have to give the details. Now here account type, edit the account type. It is a personal account. Drop down menu, individual account. Now wait for a second, wait. Don't give anything, wait. So here you can give your card details, debit card or credit card. And then tax information is optional, correct? So click on the tax information below. This is optional, right? So you can give registered or unregistered individual, right? You can give register, but PAN optional. These are optional. You can exclude it. Now wait for a second, don't give, because this is getting recorded. I don't want your card details to be recorded. Stop sharing. So stop sharing your desktop and give the card details.
We have to put card details also.
Of course, yes. They'll deduct 2 rupees, then only your account will be live.
Card details
also required.
Yes. So you have to give your debit card or credit card detail. They'll deduct 2 rupees. Then only your account will authenticate that you're a human being, not a bot. Okay? And then only your account will become live.
Okay, so we have to get started for free, right?
Yes. So in card details, you have to mention the card details. Okay. Then select tax individual, select registered one. Then PAN and all, no need. You can skip it. Then next, then you'll get the OTP. Then they'll detect the 2 rupees from your card. You'll get it back. So 2 rupees they detect only to authenticate that you are a genuine user, not a fraud. Right? And why they take your card details? So that tomorrow if you do something wrong, they can reach to you, because the bank with whom you have taken the card has the information about you. So purposefully, all the cloud, whether it's AWS, Azure, or Google, okay, they'll always take your card details so that people cannot misutilize the platform. So here, okay, so here already I think you have used, right? So
yes.
click on that. So you have to use different one. Okay?
Different card.
So when did you see this was declined, right? So check why it was declined.
I don't know.
So here,
can I use the same one?
See, you have to put in Vico one of these. You have connected from 2 devices, so there's a lot of echo. So put one other device in, either disconnect or put on mute. So put one device in mute. Yeah, thank you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, better. So here what you have to do, here you have to first come to the tax information below.
Tax, okay.
So select here registered individual.
Okay.
Now give here, now unshare your, don't share your, unshare, stop sharing, then give your card details.
Okay.
Okay, it's done. Can you check once?
Click on continue.
Okay.
Wait, it's not done yet. They have to allocate us $300.
Okay.
So now they'll verify. So verification, what they'll check your card details and all. And if they detect that you are using someone else's card, okay, then they'll block your account. So every cloud vendor, they are very particular about so you should not put any wrong information, otherwise they'll block it. See, they are telling we were not able to establish that, so something is wrong. When you give the card, so you have to, whatever name you have in your card and address, you have to maintain the same thing.
Your
So
card does not support automatic recurring payments.
So nothing to worry. So do you have
Okay.
any other card? Right. You can select any other
My
card.
transaction is declining again. I am using the same card for GPay also. So that is the problem or what?
No. So
I think it got opened, I guess. Is
no,
this
no.
open?
This is not open. See, until unless you don't get the free trial, top of the page, right? This is, see here, just a second. Where is,
Now I have to use the other card or what?
yes. So here,
So I
so
have
here,
to.
see, until unless this free trial, okay, top of the page, you can see, correct? Free trial is not given to you.
Okay.
So if you try to create anything, you have to add billing. See here, this project has no billing account. Until unless you don't have not, if you have not activated billing, it will not work. So you
Okay.
have to link a billing. To add a billing, the card details which you are giving, the username, username, the whatever name you have in the bank, you have to give the same thing. The first name, last name, address should be same.
It
If it,
was
Uh,
same for this.
if it
so
is same,
I
if it is same, then go to the support and raise a support request.
I have
Okay.
one card, a RuPay debit card, but it is not accepting, I guess. They are telling
RuPay,
invalid card number.
RuPay will not support, only Master and Visa will support. Right? They have
But
clearly mentioned.
Mass Visa, it is telling they are declining, no?
So raise a request, go to the support, raise a request. So if you are unable to, that's the reason why I'm starting with this one, because creating an account is problemsome, right? It becomes,
From where I have to go and do this thing.
wait, I'll show you just a second. Let this complete. If he's not able to complete, then you both can see here. Go to support,
Okay.
click on support.
Okay. Support.
The right corner, right hand side corner of the page, you have support, right? So from there, you can go to support.
Right
Right?
hand channel
Now click on open a case.
support. I'm not finding
Quick
support over
support.
here.
Yeah, click on open a, click on chart support or click on chart.
Okay.
Now click on
Billings.
billing support.
There was a pop-up.
So now you have to click on that, allow that pop-up.
Yeah,
Pop-up.
left.
Then again click on billing support, get billing support.
Contact billing support.
Now click on that. So bring that to center of the page because I can't see that one pop-up.
Okay. Can you see enough?
No, not yet.
One second.
In support, where I have to go?
In support, you have to go to chat support. Left hand side, you have chat support.
One second. I'll
See
stop sharing it.
pricing.
Okay. Can you see enough?
Yeah, I can. Now, okay, click here, contact support. Okay. So now close this one. Why did this come? Okay. So click on.
This was a chat window.
Okay, so click on. Okay, click on that again. So now,
It's not allowing.
so you are
I am
Search for
not finding chat support.
close this one and open again.
closed it. And
Again, go to
then
left hand side. Purnima, left hand side, three bar is there. Click on that. You have a support.
so
Yeah, support I got, but in support overview, Google Cloud Platform, Google Workshop, where I have to go? See pricing, contact us.
Contact.
it is saying that I am not an administrator.
So who? So click on the. So who is the? You are the only administrator. So click on that. Click on three bar. Left hand side. Click on three bar.
Left hand side, click on three bar. Yes.
What are you looking
IAM
for?
admin.
I'm ready
Now,
to get.
now click on
I need
support.
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 Click on cases.
Cases.
Click on. Okay. Wait. Wait it. Support to this needs blah blah blah. Right. So we have put. Now click on enable. No. Here again. Click on the chart. Click on the chart support. Why this? Click on chart support. Okay. Click on get billing support.
Yeah, I clicked it. Again, the same window is opening and it is asking for me to select a contact billing support.
Click on contact billing support.
Okay, it says you are not an administrator for any billing account. Further assistance, you can contact the administrator of the billing account.
So okay, then what do you do? So click on the three right corner. There's your profile, right? Click on that. The three
Okay.
dot. Click on the three dots. So here do I have no? Wait. Click on your name itself. That icon. Click on that.
Yeah, clicked it.
So here no, it's not there. Then okay, left hand side. Click on the three bar.
Okay.
Now here it's billing. So click on the go to the billing.
Billing.
Right. Click on link a billing account.
Link a billing account.
Create a billing account.
Create billing account.
Right. Click on I have read.
I have read.
Continue.
Same.
Okay, come scroll down.
Okay.
This should be the software sync it. Click on start billing, but again it will not work. Click on start. Then
Start
we'll
my free trial.
this is where we'll struggle now.
It is asking, it is deducting, and then
You'll get
again it is.
no cancel it. Anyway, it's telling something's wrong. No address. You have given the same address as your bank.
Yeah, it was the same address.
Okay, then what do we do?
माझं एक हे चालू आहे मीटिंग चालू आहे जरा.
So scroll up.
Scroll up. This is the top.
Okay, click on back window, the back arrow from the browser. Again, once again, click on the back. Click on the back window.
Yeah, I clicked it.
Again, click on the three bar left hand side.
Okay.
Now here support. Again, we'll get into problems. So this becomes. So here, click on the phone support.
Phone support.
So click on the GCP billing support. GCP billing support.
Okay.
Let's see where it takes us. Whether it allows.
Same page. It is asking me to contact billing support, and then if I click it, you are not the administrator of any billing account. For the assistance, please contact the administrator of the billing account.
Here I am on the page that billing assistant.
Click on that billing assistant.
Yeah, billing assistant.
Yeah, billing assistant is there. Plus, I am automated billing assistant. I'll help you to find out, answer, and contact for any. Two options are there: search for help and contact billing support. So I have to do contact billing support, right?
Yes.
And again, say.
Then again, same issue what the guy is facing. You are not an administration on any building account.
So okay, just a second. This will be
Hello?
another. Just wait.
Hello.
Wait for a second. So again, just one of you can share the screen. Let me see the other alternate. How to raise a call with them. So here, this we are good. So this was the settings. So go to the click on the community support.
Okay.
But again, from here will not get. So that's a problem. So click on the overview. Go to the overview.
Okay.
Now here, click on the chat support. Click on chat support.
Can I contact phone support if that's possible?
Try. But again, it's coming to the back to the same.
Even the chat support is also coming to the
same place, right? So we are into now loop, right? So how do I raise a call with them? So just go to.
Sanjeev, can I try from my side?
You can try, of course, but let me try to fix this also, okay? Just give me a couple of seconds. So go to open google.com. Go to open new tab. Open a new tab. In browser, open a new tab.
Me too.
So click open a new tab. Browser, okay? Suman, now type here, go to Google, type Google Cloud Support. Type here Google Cloud Support.
I think mine is done.
Okay,
Hello.
we'll see that. Wait for a second. So how did you do that?
Huh?
How did you do?
I don't know. Here two notifications are there. I clicked on one notification, which was 9 minutes back. I clicked on that, so I got the dashboard type something.
No, that is not, until unless you don't get the $300, it's not done.
This was a support page.
Now here, support page. Okay, click on contact us.
This project has no billing account.
That is a problem, right? So we are into loop, right? So click on need support from Google.
So we need to do create billing account, right?
Yes. So, but that is where the problem is. To create a billing account, you have to use a card which is Visa or Master. So for you, when you try the Visa or MasterCard, so your name should be as per your card. The address should be as per the card. If anything varies, they'll not allow you. They'll suspect that you are using someone else's card. So when you are activating, the name should be as per the sequence which is mentioned in a bank card. Then the card number, the CSV, then the address. Address also has to match as per the bank record. If
Okay.
anything mismatch, they'll not allow you. They'll suspect
Okay,
that you
sir.
have to.
Can I try it with another card?
You can. So what all things you need to check? You need to check the name. They see sometime, like for example, my name is Sanjeev Singh, but in my bank it says Singh Sanjeev, right? So that sequence you have to type. Then whatever address is there, you have to type. So if anything mismatches, because in background AI is enabled, so AI will think that you have stolen someone else's card and you are misutilizing their card. It will not allow you to create the account.
But my name and everything is same in the card and
The
everywhere.
address, what about the address?
Address is also address. I think it may no address is also the same.
So cross check, and if cross check with your card, if address also is same, then something else would be the problem. But typically address and all need to be same. So cross check once and try again once again.
But why they are declining the transaction? Any reason?
See, anything mismatches, they'll decline. So they are not declining. AI is enabled. AI suspect anything wrong, they will not allow you to create the account.
There is one more option: GCP billing support, get free support underneath this quick support. There is here one.
Click on that. It will take you to the same place most probably. Click on that.
It actually directly opened one of the tab.
Okay.
I'll again try it.
So that tab, bring that tab.
That's not coming. 1 second. It's directing it to the same page.
Like
Ask.
it will go into loop actually. Right?
It's into the loop actually.
Now, this is all.
Then better I'll change the billing.
Yeah, change it, because I know this is always painful. That's the reason I thought first let our account get activated, because account creation is very painful in Google Cloud. They are very strict here. Azure AWS is very easy. Google is very tough.
Yeah, I understand. So okay, now I'll stop presenting and then try the new one.
So I have to put the same address which is there in my bank account, right?
Yes.
Hello. Can see? Tax information registered individual, right?
Yes.
So tax information is registered individual, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we have to put the PAN number and everything also?
No. You can leave them. That is optional.
Let's see now. Yeah, now it is asking security code. When you click continue, the new browser window will appear where you will verify your info. Continue. Now OTP and everything we have to put.
Yes.
Uh,
Setting up billing. I think no. Address line 1 is required.
You have to give the same address as per your bank.
Yeah, I have put it. I don't know why it is not taken.
no, it's not accepting the second one as well.
So what error you get? Anything?
The same one. It is entering into the same loop.
Okay. So that can be painful. So just share your screen for a second.
So actually, see, this is the second one.
Mm-hmm.
It entered into the billing support, and it is also saying the same thing.
Because so console, click on, no, you need to map billing issue, contact the, click on console Google Cloud support, click on that, above link, the hyperlink, console, click on that.
Okay.
Let's see where it takes.
Can you see my screen, or I need to change the tab, I guess.
Yes.
Second. It is taking it to the main page itself again. So it's taking me to the same page, this
Okay.
page.
Okay. Let me check. Then again, now
This one for map support. Billing. I'll just check if there anything in the documentation.
Right?
here. No, here you not
Step
get.
to add.
Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
So billing account name, you will either
Hello?
see currently requested
Hello?
access.
Hello.
Can you check this once?
So just second. So here to see the current administrator, right? So you are already administrator of that particular thing, right? So because
Left side menu in the
you are only
billing.
you are only the administrator here or only
Yes.
user here. There's no second user. So by default you are administrator.
Access.
Right?
Okay, you're not
So
able to.
only thing is that
Yes.
click on S. Now click on update your bill. Click on update your billing administrator. Let's see whether. But again here
It is asking me to go to the IAM and then update. There are roles and
by default you are a billing administrator, right? So because there is no one here, you are the only account creator, you are the
yeah.
owner of the account. So that's not the problem. If you were second user, then we would be adding you as administrator. So there's no second user, you are the only user here, right? So that's
Can I
not,
share my screen?
just wait for a second. So here, or yeah, share your screen. Let me see where you are.
I can't share because one screen is already shared.
I'm stopping. Go ahead.
Here I read.
So here click on the proceed verification.
Proceed to verification. Okay.
So here you have to give that this, they are suspecting that something is wrong with your account. That's when they are asking you to prove, right? Give your phone number.
ID.
So you have to give the billing ID. Go to the other tab.
Yeah.
Other one more tab. Choose support. Right? So again, go to the billing.
Here,
Scroll up, go to the
it is
billing
up only.
So go back, click on the back arrow.
Back.
And wait. Let the account details come. Then you have to give the 16-digit account details.
Yes.
So here on the right hand side, you have my billing account, right side, manage under manage.
Manage billing account, right?
Here, copy the number. Go back,
Where is the number? I can't see it.
click back. Click on the back arrow.
Back. Okay.
See, can you read here? Copy this. And go and paste on the verification. Scroll down.
Upload an image of your credit card, debit card, or bank statement.
You can upload your bank statement if you have, right?
Current bank statement I don't have.
So because see, they are suspecting that you are not the owner. Hence, they are asking you proof that you are the owner of this account.
Okay. So they want me to share the file.
So generally we don't.
If I have.
So generally we don't prefer to share the card screenshot. We share the the statement. Statement also will prove that you are the owner of the card. So if you have any statement, bank statement, credit card, debit card statement, you can share them that. Then
Let
that will,
me check.
yeah, then that will prove that you are the owner of the card.
Let me check if I have. Okay, I done it. It is not mandatory now that it should be updated.
Just mention here, right? So just okay. Do you have any? No. We are good. Click on Hi team, need your assistance in creating my Google Cloud account. Hi need your assistance in creating or activating free Google trial account. Creating free Google Cloud account. Google Cloud account.
Okay.
Click on submit. Now you have to wait for 1 or 2 days. Okay, they'll get back to you. So when they call, when their team will call, you are just tell them the problem, and then they'll create the account and activate and give to you.
Okay,
because
cool.
here AI suspected that you are in somebody is using it, suspected something because it has multiple parameters. So if anything mismatches, it will think that you are using someone else's card.
Okay.
Now to protect your card, what it does not allow you to create the account. Hence, to prove that you are the owner, genuine person, you are using your own card. Hence, we are submitting the details. Now, someone from either Hyderabad or Gurgaon will call you. This is where their support sit, Hyderabad and Gurgaon. They'll call you, and then you have to tell. No, they'll check. You are genuine user, and then they'll allocate. So what you have to do, you have to request them to give you the free account, trial account.
Okay.
And then
so it will take 2 days, right?
1 or 2 days, depending. Typically, it happens within 1 day. So let's see how lucky you are. But this is required, right? That's the reason I enter into the cloud, the account creation. Account creation is painful thing. So, okay, yours is done. Now, Suman, so
I think the error says that it is not a, I mean, it cannot automatically deduct right from my accounts.
So do you have any card where you have that auto recurring option? Right?
I understand. I think better it is asking for a credit card.
So do you have one?
I'll try it. I have one.
Okay, try that one.
Is there any option to delete existing bank accounts from there?
No, when you add the second one, you can delete the first one.
Okay, I'll just try deleting it.
You can.
Okay. I'm just trying adding the details of the credit card. Give me
Sure.
2 minutes. I'll project
Sure,
it.
sure, no problem. So meanwhile, Sujit, if you have time, you also need to do this because
Yeah,
you can
just
try in your end.
sharing my screen. Just
Yeah,
sharing.
sure. No problem. So because see, first this creating account is very painful in Google. AWS, Azure is AWS is the best one. Easy
So
form.
I now I have to wait and watch, right?
Yeah, you have to just wait for 2 days till they call you.
Okay.
So creating Google Cloud account is a bit problematic, and that's the reason I thought, okay, let us first have the account, because if you don't have the account, how do we practice, right? So everything is dependent on the account. So click on the first one, Google Cloud Console, and once you are under the account, so then we have to create get try for free. See the center of the page, you are getting a pop-up. Agree the terms and condition. We are from India. Agree. Now agree and continue. And wait for a couple of seconds. It will save. Now center of the page, there's the option try for free, correct? You'll get 90 days account. Center of the page, center. This is 90. Scroll up. Wait, I'll tell you which one. Scroll up and wait. Yeah, this is the one.
Can I click on it?
Yes, click on that. Then it will ask you the details. Now again agree. Click on continue. Now here click below that. Select no account type, top of the page, account type here. Make it personal. Drop down menu, make it personal, individual. Now we'll come to the card detail later on. First, make it tax information. This is mandatory. The tax information. Select. Click on that. Make it tax registered individual. Okay. But will not. Other things are optional. Will not give that. Now stop sharing and give your card details.
Okay.
Before that, you have to stop sharing. Okay. Thank you. Now you can give the card details.
Yeah, I'm giving card details.
Sure, no problem. And then, and remember, when you are giving card details, so everything you should be as per your bank, the name, the sequence of the name, the card number, and the address. Address is most important. If you change, sometimes what happens when we take card, we might have taken from office address or one old rented house we might have taken, but we have moved to our own home. So address has changed in you are changing the address, but in bank record, the old address is there. Then again, it will be conflict. The AI will think that you have stolen someone else's card and trying to use that. So it will not allow you to activate.
No, it's giving the same error with the credit card as well.
So, okay, what the same word that what you call the recurring?
The same recurring.
But credit card by default is a recurring thing, right?
I don't know why it's telling, but it is also again.
Then again, like how Purnima went, no? Click on that. Let us go to the support.
Okay, support, right?
Support.
I'm just presenting.
Yeah. So hopefully we should be able to go to that location to raise a call. It's always painful thing, right? First day, always I struggle.
Oh, you can see my screen, I guess.
Yes, I can. So click on get billing support, center of the page.
This one.
Yeah. Let's hope we are able to go.
Yeah, I got. So it shows this one.
Click on contact billing support. Yeah. Wait here. Now here you are not administrator for further instance. What is this? This is weird, right? So click on map support. You need to billing issue. Please contact. Okay. Click on learn more. Click on learn more. Why this is coming? For her it went somehow, right? But yours is something else.
Yeah, I understand.
Because see, you are the only one user. There's no other user. So by default, you will be the administrator. You are the owner of the account. But somehow, so click on cloud billing support, but it will take you the same place, and
Yeah,
we will get into the loop. This is weird.
it was stuck in a weird loop now.
Yeah. Or give me, let me find some alternate way. Okay, click on GCP billing support.
The same
Right.
pop-up is coming
I
again.
think mine is done. I think.
Okay, then congratulations, at least one account is up, but I need for others also.
Okay, then I'll do one thing.
That is 1 rupee deducted from my account.
No, that is beginning, right? Not yet done. So 1 rupees they'll detect. That's not a problem, but we have to check.
So, where are these saved?
Which one?
The card numbers which we have given are there now.
So in the left hand side, click on the billing, 3 bar left hand side, 3 bar.
Okay,
Go to the billing. Then you will get nothing is not saved. Click on the manage billing account. Now add billing.
Okay, add billing. It says there are 3 cards here. Because 2 are my debit cards and 1 is my credit card.
Okay, so remove the 2 debit cards and let's see.
How do we remove it?
So
Just click on that, now one of them, and change the address and everything. Start free trial.
No, it's not accepting.
But just up.
Okay.
Here, your name is there, no? Just create a payment profile.
Okay.
I think I had done the same thing. Here you can put the details and try if you can. Sir, can we do that?
Yeah, try it. Let's see if it works. Because you are the one that you are able to go
That's
through that.
individual.
I done the same thing. That's what.
Okay.
So do I need to give again my card details?
Yeah.
So stop sharing for a second.
Yeah.
And meanwhile, Sujit, can you share your account? Let me see where we are with you.
Yeah, this is my.
Okay. Then you have got the congratulations, you got it. So click on wait.
So I need to check
billing. Click on billing. So we should get that $300. Wait for a second, okay? So I'll tell you where we should have.
So this done.
One is done. First, I hope so. But I'll confirm. Let me see the $300 first. Okay. So scroll up. So here, scroll down here. Scroll down. Yeah, we are good. Yours is done. See.
Wow. Congrats.
So at least one is done. So so this can be really painful. Okay. So I know that's the reason I thought, okay, first let me make you guys get. So at least one account is done. Now I have to struggle with the Suman and the Purnima one. So let me see. So Sujit, we are good, nothing to worry. So this account is valid for 91 days, and they have given you a virtual credit of that 21,000. So whenever we are creating, we'll keep a track. So that way you'll also know how to manage the account. Suppose you as a manager, you should know how billing and all. So that is where this is required. No, we should know how much billing we are getting and how to maintain the costing and all. So we'll do that. That is the entire motto. So across the course, whenever I am teaching, daily I'll make you to go and check how much money you have left. Right? So parallelly, we'll also know money management or account management, because that also is required at some point in time. Only technology is not important. Along with that, we should know the costing, we should know the management aspect and other things. So that also will do parallelly. So your is good. We are good. So nothing to worry. You can. So your account is good at least. So now let me check with this Suman. At least his service request is getting raised. Then what will happen? At least he'll get a call from Google, and then again he can work with the Google support team. They'll help him to activate the account. So Suman, again share your screen. Let's see if we are lucky or not. And Purnima, you have to just wait. Hopefully tomorrow you might get call. And once you get call, you have to just request them to help you to activate the account. Yeah, your also came now. So here,
what do I do with this?
Here you have to give the phone number because they'll call you, right? So you have to mention the phone number. They'll cross check that you are the owner of the card. They'll check your birth date and all, right? To prove that you're owner of the card. So here we are giving the phone number, then billing account.
This one, okay, Oreo window.
So scroll up.
Yeah.
So click on the click on that. So here somewhere will be click on the 3 bar left hand side. Click on the 3 bar left side. Okay. Go to the billing. Here I think I should get the billing. Yeah, most probably. Let's see. Okay. Click on what happened. Why? Click on the manage billing account. Yeah. So here, okay. Again, click on go back, or click on create account. Okay. Click on continue. So wait. Okay. Can you copy this billing account 379 blah blah? Copy that one, 16 digit.
Actually, 1 second. There is some glitch. It has to be this one.
Okay, then copy that one, the correct one.
How do I copy this?
This is-
Got it.
Uh,
Sorry.
copy.
Yeah, copied.
Now go to that mention here.
Here I need to attach an image.
So here you have to give your card, bank statement or something, just to prove that you are the owner. So
Okay.
they'll ask
Okay,
you
done.
card picture, but we'll not attach the card picture. We'll take any billing, old bill or new bill, attach it, and then below, correct? You can attach that any bill you have, just to prove that you are the owner. Then below you will mention in the request.
Any bill or any bank statement? It's asking for bank statement.
Bank
right?
statement, right? That card details, right? So
Yeah.
the bill you get or the bank statement. So not bill, sorry, my bad. Bank statement.
Yeah, sure.
Bank statement. Or if it is credit card, then you get the bill, correct? Credit card bill, that one. Just to prove that you are the owner. Then they'll cross check. They'll call you, and then only they'll activate your account. So scroll down.
Okay, done.
Scroll down.
Okay.
And here you have to brief. You have to mention in brief. Hi team, please help me to activate the Google Cloud account. Right? Please help me to activate Google Cloud trial account. Google Cloud trial account. Right? And then they'll know this is a common problem. They'll call you and they'll help you. But they'll check you that you are the owner, card owner and all. And once they feel that you are a genuine person, then they'll activate and give you.
Sure. I'll do that.
So let us talk today for that. Okay? Otherwise, it will become late for a couple of you, or most of you. So let's connect. So I hope, but because see, for everything we need the card, we need our account. Without account, it will be highly impossible for me to teach. I can teach you, but you will be only watching like video. But my motto is for you guys to do the lab. If you until this you don't do lab, it will be like you watching the video from the Udemy or something. It will not be worth. And hence we are more concerned about creating the what you call lab. You're good.
Yeah, I have one doubt.
Please.
Let's say I'll stop projecting and then I'll give you one more projection.
Sure.
So 1 minute. Is my
I also
screen
have
projected?
actually one question.
Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
So wait, then I'll project it now. Okay, see here. Yesterday I thought of like day before yesterday I missed the class, right? The first one.
So first one was nothing. Very less people had joined because I was stuck with a bridge call. So just we discussed, not much we discussed that. We just knew about each other, that what all things we are doing.
Yeah, actually I tried watching the video, but it is asking some password.
No, that video is not uploaded. This is,
Okay.
class. This is the class. Okay? Recording is not available. Don't worry. That I'll tell you how that need to be uploaded.
Here it says
Day
recording.
before
available, right?
yesterday, class was there.
No, it was not there. Just it was hi hello thing because I was running late. I was stuck in a call, bridge call.
Okay.
Then I joined. 2-3 people were there. Then we told because of me running late, and it was Monday. So Monday we have a lot of work. Right? So I was caught up with a lot of activities. I did not get time. So I connected for 5 or 10 minutes. Hence there is no recording uploaded.
It
So
says here recording available, right?
that's the ignore it. It's not.
Okay.
I'll tell
So
you.
I was trying watch recording and it is
Yeah.
asking for a password.
Password, yes. I know. So see, generally today also I'm running this one. No? So there'll be a separate portal where we'll mention live classes recording. So don't worry, that's not the recording. And I have not
Okay.
uploaded any. So that's reason. Today,
Okay,
tonight I'll give you a lot of homework. Right? So then you can go to those homeworks and you can do one by one. So let me go tonight. Like once I reach home, then I'll assign a lot of homeworks.
Okay, sure.
Okay, but now how can I check whether it is done or not?
You cannot check it. You have to wait till Google guys call you. So once they
Sanjeev,
Mhm.
yeah, go ahead.
So once for Suman and Purnima, you have to wait till the Google support team will call
To
you.
load or something, I don't know.
So they'll call and they'll confirm that you are genuine user. Then only they'll activate the account. They'll not allow you to activate the account until that.
Okay, fine.
So all you have to do is wait now, and they'll call you. Mostly tomorrow
sure.
itself they'll call you. Yeah, Sujit, you were asking
Yeah.
something. Please go ahead.
Sorry for that. Really, that day, I don't know, man. These people are not updating properly. And last moment, before 15 minutes back, they are updating us.
Mhm.
So class is not there. They are whatever. I'm pinging those people to WhatsApp, calling them, but
Mhm.
they are not proper updating. So is it possible to create one group so that we can know that okay, class is there today, or it will be start today, or it will be
So
cancel or something?
no. So this is my email address. Check in the mail, right? So
Yeah, I check it. But
so this is
always I cannot on my laptop, right? If it is, I know that okay, WhatsApp group updated, then we can go
Yeah,
ahead for that.
because it had happened with me as well, Sanjeev.
Mhm.
Because at 8 o'clock, at 8 o'clock, I received the mail
Mhm.
and they just called me in the same time and then told that you have a class and class got
Yeah.
started.
Okay.
So I was checking since morning and then there was nothing.
So let me just know. Let me just confirm. So first thing, that you guys help me. This time going to suit you? 8. So 8 p.m. to 9:30 because 1.5 hour minimum I have to take. So do you think this is going to suit you?
8 to 9:30.
Myself is okay.
Actually, I
Sanjeev,
have
for me, it is office is there. I asked them to weekend batch, but they assigned me to weekdays batch,
the same
and
problem with me as well
So
because like
Kavita asked me
exactly
for
this time I
joining
would
at
be
2 o'clock.
having the call.
okay,
So
that's
till
it.
9:30 I'd be having the call.
No problem. So who all is okay for weekend batch?
I'm okay for weekend
I'm
batch.
okay.
Okay, then I'll move you to weekend batch. What about Purnima? You are okay with weekend batch? This Saturday, Sunday one?
If you go weekdays, then morning it is okay, 9:30, 10 or something.
Yeah, even that is fine with me. Morning 9:30, 10.
Yes.
So okay, morning. So you are okay with weekend and morning also, okay? So what I'll do?
Yeah,
Yeah.
weekdays morning is also fine. Even
Yeah.
weekdays morning is also fine with me.
Okay.
Any day
Yeah.
morning is fine, but like this time I would have the evening call, right? End session calls.
Even for me also, okay? Because some or other call I'll get stuck. Today was
Yeah.
not. So evening is like a lot of customers which I have from EMEA and US. So this time is like peak hour for me. So
Yeah.
I get trapped. So no problem. So like only Purnima, okay, can you confirm you are okay with morning batch or weekend batch? Then I'll move this entire batch. So I'll do, I'll first confirm with tomorrow my people. Then I'll give you a call back, or I'll make them to give you a call back, and then I'll tell you these are the schedule. Two schedule I'll give you. You have to pick one, either the weekend or weekdays. Weekdays will be morning, like 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. or 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. something like that. Right? And weekend will be again same, mostly morning hours, like 9 a.m. or 10 a.m.
Morning batches actually I'll not be able to join
Okay. So what
because
about
I have to go. I have to. My office timings are 10, no, so I have to reach over there.
no? What about the weekend?
Weekend I'm okay.
So weekend morning 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. you're okay, correct?
Yeah. Weekend I'm okay, but Saturday also I'm working. So Saturday in the morning I'll not able to manage.
Okay, let me
Sunday
check.
I am okay.
Let me check with them, right? So
Yeah.
okay, let me check and I'll confirm you back.
Okay, I
Now,
think Sujit,
Mhm.
Yeah.
bro, do we have you have office at Saturday? I mean, on Saturday?
Saturday? No. Saturday, Sunday
No,
don't have.
right? Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, Sunday at this time is okay for three of us, I guess.
No, Saturday, Sunday, I want to have it. I don't teach in this time. Right? Saturday, Sunday,
Okay, okay, sure. Cool.
okay. I teach in
but
daytime, so I don't teach in evening.
instead of what I am suggesting, no, instead of taking 2 days in a week, can't you take Sunday only? Suppose if you are taking 2 hours per day in a week, 2 days in a week, so
Mhm.
can't you take Sunday only continuously for us?
See, so no, it's not possible. Two reasons. See, I can complete. So when I go for corporate training, right, entire Google Cloud we cover in 5 days. Question is, can you digest?
Yeah, that is
So 2 hours only.
correct.
Believe me, 2 hours you'll wait for some topic. 2 hours only you'll cry because everything will go constant. So it's not about
You are,
for trainer
you
that
are,
for any trainer. For me, I have been working with Google Cloud from 2014. So most of things are like by hearted. I can tell you
you
go
are
here without
afraiding
thinking.
us.
But problem will be for you guys, right? How do you digest for 4 hours? Even if
Yeah,
I
that
take
is
on
also
Saturday
right.
4 hours, can you sit for 4 hours? No, you'll not. It will be too tough for you to digest. See,
Okay.
I want to complete the course.
Then we can do one thing. Saturday we can have the batch in the evening, and Sunday we can have any time.
So let me check that. Let me check and confirm. So Saturday, what time you guys are okay?
For
Saturday
me,
I'll be
Saturday
okay
and Sunday
after
anytime is okay.
7:30.
Okay, so I'll confirm that. So that's good that you guys are talking because. So let me give me 1 day's time. Tomorrow, let me call everyone. So now 3 people I know the confirmation. Okay, let me check. There are 2 more or 3 more people in your batch. So let me take their time also because they were not comfortable this time. They did not join. So we have 6 people in this. So let me take a common ground, common time frame. Then again request you guys. I'll give you slots. You can pick whichever is the suitable slot. Okay? Then again we'll adjust. Don't worry about that.
Okay. Uh, what I'm wanted to tell now, I again checked the Google Cloud platform, but now if I go in the billing, no, it is showing that this project has no billing account. So again, I have to do the same process.
Mhm. You don't have to do anything now. You have to wait for Google support team to call you.
Okay, sure, fine.
So because you have already raised a call once, right? So we have to wait for the Google
Ha.
team to call us, and then only we can fix that.
Okay, sure.
Sanjeev, I have some question.
Please.
So my background is I'm a SQL DB
Mm-hmm.
with the Azure cloud. I'm just started working with the Azure cloud.
Mm-hmm.
So how much you are giving the course of the database side?
So database here will be teaching you the same SQL and MS SQL in in Google Cloud. Okay. So you have three. You have the SQL, then MS SQL, and then you have the Postgres SQL. So these three. So we can pick any one up. And but again, we are talking about the codes. That codes. So this is the authorized Google class. Right? So here we'll be going from the as per the curriculum defined by the Google as per the Google associate engineer certification. So
Yes.
there only these three databases are covered: the Postgres, the MySQL, and SQL.
Okay. Okay.
Databases
So we are
covered.
covering that one.
We're covering, yes, of course, we are
Yeah.
covering
Thank
that
you.
one.
Thank you.
No problem. So yeah, feel free to ask. Don't worry. Okay? So only thing is that sometimes if I don't have answer, I'll tell you. Give me a day. Let me find and come back.
Okay. So you are covering Kubernetes, Docker,
Yes.
some
Yes.
services.
Kubernetes services. Yes.
Okay. Then fine. Because now market is booming in Kubernetes.
Yeah. So it has picked a no. It is a huge. The peak is huge now. Okay. So everybody is
Huge.
using now.
If someone is no 30-40%,
Also,
you
yeah,
got the job.
they'll hire you instant.
Yes.
I do
Yes.
agree. Yeah.
And whatever you ask, they will give you.
Yeah. Totally agree because there are very less people, finger countable people in the market with Kubernetes, Kubernetes knowledge and all
Yeah.
that,
Yeah. Yeah.
and
Yeah.
that's when demand is high.
Yeah.
So we are good. So meanwhile, what I'll give you, I have a habit now. You have a holiday, kit. I don't want to spoil your holiday, but still I want to give you homework. So let me give you homework. Just a second. So
Sanjeev, how the Google Cloud is going? The market is going with the GCP?
huge. See, as of now, the highest growth is in GCP.
Okay.
Okay.
Because
So
of the pricing structure.
pricing and see any new player, in beginning, they'll grow faster. Then after that, it will saturate. Like AWS was growing faster, then last year Azure grew faster. Now this year Google is growing much faster than. I'm not telling that AWS and Azure is not, but Google is more faster in growth than them.
Yeah.
So opportunity. And second thing about Google is what less people are there in market. So even if you know 30-40%, you'll get hired. There's no competition as of now. But after 1 year, it will not be the same case. Like people like you, there are hundreds of people learning parallelly, correct? So this
Correct.
market also will saturate. So always like first come advantage. The people who jump into that technology first, they get or they grow with the technology. Always will have a growth.
Right.
So now coming back, right? So in homework, so if you see, go to your chart, right? Can you see the chart?
Yeah.
Copy that one and
But
paste in.
Sanjay sir, what I want to do is, I mean, it is worth it, right?
Yes, it is. So
Hello?
go to the chart first, copy that one, copy the link, and you keep in your notepad.
Hello.
So go to your chart.
Hello.
Yeah, you can hear you.
Hello. Hello.
So in chart, this is the I have said you.
Hello.
So you have to go through the networking. So complete the networking, then complete the basic of database, server, Linux server, basic of databases. You should know SQL, Oracle or MySQL. Then you should know basic of storage. Then you should know basic of virtualization. Then you should know basic of scripting, PowerShell, JSON, Python, whichever. Then you should know basic of Windows server. So these 7 things we have to know.
PowerShell, I know.
Then good. So then focus on the rest. So you know PowerShell, you know database because you are from database. Then focus on the basic of networking, basic of Linux server, basic of storage.
PowerShell, I did the automation, lot of automation.
Yes. So then this in cloud, these are the 7 things which you have to be good at.
Hello.
So each one of you have to learn these 7 things. Okay?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead with your question if you have any.
Hello.
So again, coming back, so these are the 7 things. So this is I have given you a chart. Go through that and complete. This is the homework for you guys for this week. Okay. So start with networking. So only complete the networking. That will be sufficient for this week. Then every week I'll tell you what to study. But these 7 things we have to become comfortable. You're good?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. What is the homework? Sorry, I actually missed out.
Click on the chart window. So in chart I have
Chat
given.
window.
So go to chart and copy in chat window. You have the 7 link, right? So homework for this week is the first one, networking. So you have to go to the YouTube, those link and watch those videos. That's all. If you want to
All these videos we have to watch.
only one, the networking. Rest later on.
First one.
Yes.
Yes, and my question is, I am not from IT sector or something. So is it? I hope this course is worth it for me, right?
Then you will struggle here. So if you're not from IT, right? So this will be Google will be little bit tough for you.
Okay.
So if you're not from IT, right, then I would suggest go with the Azure or AWS. They are bit easier when you compare to Google. But only thing is that I'm not telling that you cannot do it, but you have to put little bit more effort.
Okay.
Okay. And this is not to discourage you or demoralize you or something. I'm just telling you, see, anything in life which is worth, right, it will not be easy. So same way Google is really good, but same time you have to put little bit of more effort. It's not as straightforward as AWS or Azure. This is little bit complicated when you compare neck to neck with your Azure or AWS. But same time opportunities are more here.
Okay, but I heard that Azure is more complicated.
No, As per me, Google, and I teach all three and I work in all three. I work in five actually. I work with Google Cloud, Azure, AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, Alibaba, IBM Cloud. These are the five cloud I work. So I find most easiest one is straightforward is AWS, second is Azure, third is, Google, fourth is, Alibaba, fifth is IBM. So
Okay. So
if
which
you
one is better to learn now?
Google as of now, Google has the highest growth as of now.
Okay. Okay.
But same time, I'm telling it's not impossible. It is, you have to invest little bit more time. That's what
Okay.
I'm trying to tell.
Yeah, we'll do that. But it is worth it, right? Means it is not the see, I am from the business development background plus digital marketing, so it will be good for me, I think, right?
Yes, see, cloud is good for anyone, whoever wants, and it does not matter from which background you are. All I'm trying to tell, if you were from the computer science or if you're from IT, you'll learn in 3 months. But if you're not from IT, you'll take 4 months. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
You have to take little bit more time. You have to put little bit more effort because you are totally new to domain.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
So all I'm trying to tell, don't take it lightly. Put little bit more effort.
Okay. Sure.
We are good.
Yes. So the next lecture you will decide and tell us, right?
I'll confirm tomorrow. So let me just check with all. So like I got confirmation from you guys weekend, and like for not you, the Sujit and Suman, like no, they are even okay with the weekdays morning. So let me check where all I can adjust you, right? And accordingly I'll show you.
Okay. Sure.
So are you okay from 8 a.m. to 9:30?
In the morning,
Weekdays or Saturday, Sunday?
Sunday I am okay any day, but other day I have to go to office. No, my office is there from 10 to 7.
Okay.
So I have to leave from home at 8:30 or 9. So it
Okay.
will be, I can't do the practice,
Yes, I
practice
got it.
like I'll not able to do.
No, I got it. No worries. Okay? Let me check the other possibilities, okay? And I'll
Yes.
update you guys.
Mm.
So let me check and confirm you guys tomorrow. So I'll ask Saurav or Sahnas to give you a call, and we'll give you the confirmation.
Sure.
Okay. So meanwhile, however, whether that anyway, the homework remains same. So first complete one by one tomorrow or from tonight, whenever you have time. First complete networking. Once you complete, then go to the Linux. All are 40-minute videos. It's not that I'm giving you 10 hours thing. Basic thing only. So you don't have to become Linux engineer or Windows engineer. Just know how things work. Like 40-minute video, 1 hour video. That's all. So watch like web series. And if you are suppose the one video is of 40 minutes or 1 hour, don't watch one shot. It will go bouncer. So break it into 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, and then watch. So you'll feel like you're watching some Netflix or some comedy video, and that way it will be easy for you guys to digest.
Okay. So now we have to listen first Palla video.
The first one, the networking.
Okay,
In that you have two links, right? So first one link, then the second link.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So that's all for today, guys. I'll confirm you for the next class tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye all.
Bye.